So the GoPro 10 requires a microphone adapter to work, and that microphone adapter has two inputs or outputs on it, and one of them is a USB-C and the other one's a 3.5mm microphone jack. Now, I made the assumption when I first got that microphone adapter that the USB-C would transmit voice as well. So what I did on my helmet is I got a USB-C connector shown on the left hand side here, and the reason I did that is I wanted a nice tidy 90-degree coming out the microphone adapter. I didn't want it sticking straight out as you would with your standard microphone 3.5mm. So it transpires that the USB-C on the GoPro microphone adapter is actually only for data and power. It doesn't actually transmit sound. So then what I had to do is I had to hunt about for this one on the right. So on the right it's a 3.5mm microphone jack, and I wanted a 90 degree socket so it keeps it nice and tidy at the front of the helmet, and then it plugs into my microphone 3.5mm down the bottom. Now the other thing to notice here, which is very important, is it's a TRS, so it's got two black rings on it, or three 3.5mm sections in this microphone. If you have three black rings, it won't work with the GoPro. So that's a TRRS, I think it's called. So this is a TRS, and it's got two black microphone rings on it, and that works with the GoPro adapter. My microphone actually plugs straight in with the two black things, but as I said, I didn't want it coming straight out the helmet, or straight out the microphone adapter rather, and so I wanted a 90 degree and then take it down and plug it into the microphone. And so it took ages to find one of these, and now and it actually took ages to come in the post as well, and now I've got it. It looks like that sorts my helmet problems. So I'm going to plug it in. So I've removed this one, the USB-C, and I'm going to plug in the 3.5mm jack, and I'm going to take the bike for a run and give it a test. So here we're back to the microphone issues that I've been having. So I was waiting on this 90 degree TRS fitting, which goes into the lavalier, or whatever it's called, lavalier microphone. I didn't want to put it coming straight out because it was sticking straight out. So I've wired the microphone there, and then it's connected to this 90 degree piece into the GoPro microphone connector. And then inside I've also added a little bit of a furry cover to stop the noise. It's a bit close to the mouth, that little furry bit, and so we'll see how we go. If it starts annoying me, I might have to give it a shave. I might have to give it a shave at the front there and see what it looks like. I'll try and ride with it like that. I've fitted it alongside my BMW microphone stand, and then just wired it on top. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe from underneath. There you go. You can see there I've got the BMW microphone, and then I've just wired the other one on top of it, and we'll see how it goes. As I said, it's quite a big noise, I don't know what it's called, noise dampener that they give you, and so I'll see how that goes. It might have a problem interfering with my face. I don't want to ride along with something furry in my face, and so I'll see how I go. I might have to put back the original foam cover, or just shave the front off of that a little bit to stop it rubbing. Anyway, it looks like I'm finished now. Got the new microphone adapter fitted, So that's hopefully my microphone problem sorted. I'll go for a ride and see how I get on. As I said, all I was waiting on is a 90-degree TRS, 2 cages to arrive, then connects to my microphone, wired it down the same as my BMW helmet, and it's just on the front there. So I'll go for a test ride. I'll see if that solves my problem, and let's have a listen to what it sounds like. So just to be clear what I was talking about there, on the input side of the microphone unit, the GoPro microphone unit, there's a 3.5mm jack and there's a USB-C. Now I assumed that sound could go through the USB-C, and the reason I assumed that is if you look on the other side, it's a USB-C into the GoPro 10, but apparently the USB-C is only data in, out I presume, and it's power in I presume, and so the USB-C doesn't go sound all the way through. The 3.5mm jack is for sound in, and that's the TRS fitting, and you can see what I did is I had the 90-degree fitting. It goes down and it fits into my microphone jack there, and so if I take the front off here, I just disconnect it at that point, and then I've got a nice clean break. I don't have a cable flapping about on the front, and so that's exactly why I did that. So 3.5mm in, USB-C, I put a rubber cover on it, and then the USB-C goes into the GoPro 10. So that's what the configuration should be able to work. So let's go and test it. Right, so here I am about to test the microphone to see if it works. If it doesn't work, it's going to be a ritual burning at the end of this trip, and if it does work, that's a big win. So let's see what happens. I'm off to take the bike for its initial service, by the way, so I'll just take it easy. So this is what it sounds like just going along a normal road with the visor open. This is what it sounds like now with the visor closed, obviously. I'll see if I can get my music on. Another adventure bike in front there. A little yummy by the looks of it. Good mate, how you doing? Now this is interesting because I've synced my helmet to my Garmin. It's stopped communicating with my phone, and so I haven't got my Garmin fitted because I'm going for a service, and so when I press my music on my helmet, it obviously doesn't find it. So you get all these little tricks that you learn as you as you start to switch electronics on and off. I swear to God. Anyway, I hope this is working now. It'll be interested to test it when I get back home, and I can live without the music for the short trip to the dealership just in Scarborough here, and the wife's actually picking me up, which makes it a lot easier. I don't have to wait on bloody Uber and thing. And so what I'll do now is I'll just switch this off. I think I've probably tested it enough, and hopefully this microphone will work. You might be interested to hear I am going to have to give it a little bit of a trim at the front. It's tickling my bloody my chin